This is part 2 to our Punnett square videos. In this video, we're going to fill out a Punnett square, okay? So we're going to start off with the information that I've given you, okay? I've given you the information that a dominant T represents something tall, a recessive T represents something short, your mom has the genotype of big T, little t, and your dad has the genotype of little t, okay? So what are our alleles? Remember, an allele is just a single letter that's representing a gene, okay? So our alleles are big T, little t. Oops. All right, so let's see if we can get this to work. Our alleles are big T, little t. Okay. Our genotypes are our letter combinations. So one genotype is mom's letter combination. She has a dominant T, recessive T. All right. Dad's letter combination or genotype is little t, both recessives. All right. Phenotype. Remember, phenotype is the physical appearance. Okay. So your phenotypes here are tall and short, okay? So I'm going to write tall and short. Okay, so now for filling out the Punnett square, okay? All you need to know right here is that mom and dad are going to go in two different parts, okay? So the way I like to start off teaching a Punnett square is I draw a mom and dad. So here's your dad, and here's your mom. All right. So we're going to put their genotypes in their feet. So mom's genotype is big T, little t. So I'm going to write a dominant T, recessive T. Okay, dad's alleles, his genotype, both of his alleles are recessive. So his genotype is little t, okay? What you're going to do from here is I like to put my fingers in each box as I go. And I go up and over, okay? So I have a dominant T and a recessive T. So always put your dominant first and then your recessive. So that would be the genotype for that first box. This next box, you're going to go all the way up, all the way over. Same thing, a dominant T, a recessive T, okay? We're going to go all the way up, all the way over. Recessive, recessive. We're going to go all the way up, all the way over. Recessive, recessive. So that is how you fill out a Punnett square box. All right. The last thing you need to know is that each of these squares represents 25%. Okay, so 25%. So if I were to ask you what percent of the offspring will have the genotype big T, little t, okay? We have this box has big T, little t. This box has big T, little t. So 25 plus 25 is 50%. So 50% of the offspring have genotype big T, little t. All right. What percent of the offspring have the chance of having little t as their genotype? We have little t here, little t here. So 25 plus 25 is 50% of offspring will have the little t genotype. And that's pretty much all you need to know.